What's up, online shoppers? I've got a brand new Dex box that just arrived in the mail. This one here is the Keter 30-gallon high-density resin deck box. Light, durable, keeps the elements out, and it says it's got quick, easy assembly. Let's put that to the test and take it out of the box. So far, I like it. Everything comes nicely packaged. Now, something that's kind of cool about this, it has like a faux wood grain done right into the resin. So it does end up looking like a stained wooden deck box. And I really like that aesthetic. Here's one of the sides. Look at this. It's got a really nice cutout here for a handle. Nice big sheet of instructions. This is the lid. It's got the hinge pieces right here. Right here is where the hinge for the lid is gonna go. This is the inside part, inside bottom part of your deck box. And I love that it's actually labeled inside. Here's another one of the sides. Again, you've got this nice little grip handle space there. And finally, another one of the sides. This is the front of the deck box, and you can see here, there's actually a spot for a padlock. You have the option to lock it closed, either to keep people from getting in or to keep little hands from getting into stuff you don't want them to get into. Let's put it together. Now the bottom has these little notches, and all you have to do to assemble is put them together. Hear a click noise when it makes the connection, and it's locked firmly in place. Do the same with the other one. This assembly is really easy. Here is the back of the deck box. Easiest to turn it on its side to put it together. And the pieces just clip into each other really nice. Another little push to secure it. I also like that the closures are really nice and tight, which means I'm not gonna have spiders in here. I'm not gonna get dust in here. And let's put on the front. Now, you literally just put it in over top, give it a couple of clicks, and it is together. There's the box without the lid on it. You can see these really nice handles here, easy for picking up. It's not heavy at all, and there's an inside view before it gets complicated. Nicely reinforced. Now this is where the lid's gonna go, and there are little notches right here and right here that the lid just clicks right into like that, and it opens nice and easy like that. Here is your deck box all fully assembled. Here is the Keter 30-gallon deck box all assembled. And you can see it only took me 5 minutes to put it together, which is great because who wants to spend a lot of time putting stuff together? I just want to enjoy the benefits. It's got a really nice, smooth moving lid right here that opens up nice and easy and closes nice and easy as well. Here and here, there is a little opening that you can attach a padlock to so that you can actually lock this closed if you wanted to. This is really great versatile storage. You can put kids' toys in here, you can put patio cushions in here, you can put pool care supplies in here. The list of things you can actually fit in here is endless. I love that it's got resin construction, and this faux wood grain is really nice. I imagine that it's going to clean up really nice and easily because it's a good, smooth, heavy-duty, high-density resin material that is rated to stand up very well in outside elements. It's 20 inches high, it's almost 23 inches across, and it's just under 17 inches in width. Now, as far as how comfortable is it? Well, it's a really nice height for sitting on, and it is meant to hold up to 220 pounds. This is also going to make nice, sturdy additional seating on your deck or your patio. I'm really happy with this purchase. It went together really nice and easily. I love the quality of the materials. I love the color. It's gonna go really nice on the deck with the rest of my patio furniture. And I'm really looking forward to putting this into place. I think this is definitely gonna be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.